Are you wasting your life's energy? Every dollar you spend represents hours of your life. Are you spending wisely? Hi, I'm Mr. Robertson, and I want you to make better financial decisions. In this video, we'll uncover how to save smarter, spend wisely, and take control of your financial future. Money isn't just currency. It's a reflection of your hard work and time. Every dollar matters. Before buying, ask, is this worth the hours I worked for it? That one question could transform your spending habits. Track every expense. Awareness is your superpower in achieving financial control. Set goals like building an emergency fund or saving for your dreams. Goals make your money work for you. Shop smart. Understand the difference between needs and wants and align your spending with your goals. If you want to understand how you can escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, check out my video by clicking on the I button above. Remember, your money represents your life's energy. Spend it wisely, save with purpose, and take control of your future. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. And always remember, I want you to make better financial decisions.